So as we come through the door, we've got like an entrance hallway and then a gorgeous vanity station with some robes. Just love all the colouring. A little beach bag that we can use as well, which is so sweet. Some flip-flops. There's like a sauna and spa that's 24/7 use. So there's the toilet. And then we've got a beautiful bathroom with, oh my gosh, a bath and a huge shower as well. All the soaps and stuff in there. That is amazing. So much space. And then a nice big mirror, which is always handy. And then coming in to the bedroom, we've got like basically a small double each, which is nice. A little bar. And then TV set up as well. And then actually what's really... I lied, there is an outside light for the balcony. So yeah, it's just beautiful. Really, really lovely. Oh my god, it's so nice. Nice water. Oh, beautiful. Lush.